Hi everyone, my name is Diana from the Property Runway, and today we are at one of residences located at the west side of Singapore. Where is it exactly? Let me show you. Just 5 minutes walk from One North MRT, this condo is in the heart of One North Hub, consisting of Biopolis, Futurepolis, as well as Mediapolis. As this area develops, there's a huge growth potential for this condo too. What's more, just round the corner from Buona Vista Hub and Holland Village, there are many popular schools such as ACS, Fairfield, United World College, INSEAD, ESSEC, universities. This is truly the heart centre for work and play. One of Residences is set in a lush green environment with many low-rise buildings nearby. Shaped like a modern-day trottoir, it ensures that the entire condo is well lit while making sure that there is privacy for residents. This condo has full facilities. What's more, it's really special because of the sky bridge leading to the sky roof where an infinity pool awaits. Simply a sight to behold. Today, we have a 2-bedrooms apartment, 1,012 square feet on a super high floor. Come, let's go. Walk into the house and be greeted by the full-length windows so your house is always bright and cheery throughout the day. Check out the unblocked view of the skies as well as the greens. This open floor plan also creates such a feeling of space from the living to the dining all the way to the kitchen. Come, let's take a look at the kitchen. And now for the master bedroom. To be honest, for a master bedroom, we do not see many of this size in a 2-bedrooms apartment. Can you see? It even makes the queen-size bed look small. The master bedroom is also impressive because of the large amount of windows allowing for sunlight to seep through. What's more, this space is great for a baby cot or even a study table. On this side, we have the master bathroom. Come, let's head off to the last bedroom. This way. The common bedroom is a cozy size, able to fit a super single bed and also comes with a 3-door wardrobe. Overall, this is a really good size in a really good condo, especially in today's context. Like to make this house your own? Call Property Runway today for exclusive viewing. See you!